Finishing is so hard, or at least that's what someone recently said to me about works in progress. Hey everyone, it is December 2nd, which means it is time for Vlogmas 2024. I have so many works in progress going on right now, so I thought why not just have Vlogmas all about trying to get projects done. And I decided that would be a great theme for Vlogmas since I have to do so many projects anyway, and it'll be a great opportunity for you guys to see all different types of crafts. So if you're excited about Vlogmas and you want to see more videos, please leave a comment, hit subscribe, and let me know what you're most excited about seeing. So today I'm going to do some unboxing and I'm going to show you some works in progress that I currently have and just give you a taste of what's to come. So I finally finished my scarf that I wanted to wear as my statement piece for my high school reunion, and that was so much fun. I said to my friend and Josie, this is so cool. They think I'm cool now because I'm an artist. So this is a project that I finished very quickly. Most projects do not go nearly as quickly, but I am so glad I finished this up as fast as I did because now I have this beautiful scarf. I have 4 different packages that need to be unwrapped. I've got a purple one, a magenta one, and two white ones. And so I'm gonna start with this one. This one is from Chameleon Fiber Co. So this one is just going to be more, this one is going to be more this fiber because I need more of this fiber to make more of these bats so that I can make a yarn to finish this project that is a work in progress that I've been working on for over a year, and the white yarn is going to go around the outside edge of that. So I will be making more of this white yarn to go around the outside edge of that wall hanging. So actually I'll just finish unwrapping this later, but it is from Chameleon Fiber Co. This one is from Fat Cat's Knits, and I've decided that over the course of the next several months, I'm gonna do one just for fun spin over. This was my just for fun spin for November, and so this is one work in progress that I have to finish up because I need to finish plying this yarn. So that will be one video plying this yarn. For my just for fun spin for December, I am going to spin these two together. So this one's from Fat Cat's Knits. And I love this so much. It is Polworth, and it came with a stitch marker. I love spinning with Polworth. It is even softer than merino, if that is humanly possible. And it is 4 ounces of yarn, 4 ounces of luscious wool, and this one is almost 6 ounces, of merino. So merino and Polworth will go really well together as they are both ridiculously soft. Ooh, I love the purple. And the purple. All in here. This is from Bull Creek Yarn. I love the crinkly down from it. And this is how it turned out. Now, can you really tell me that you don't think these would look good together? So like I said, this is merino, this is Polworth. And I'm thinking they would look really good spun up together. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But I really think they would look really good together. So this is gonna, like I said, this is going to be my December just for fun spin. Now I don't know if I'm gonna have time to spin these this month, but I think it'd be really cool if I did have time to spin these this month. This is from Edgewood. It's from Edgewood Garden Studio. And looks like she sent 2 packets of tea because I ordered 3 braids of fiber. One of these is just for fun, and I'm thinking just for fun for February. And the other 2 are ones that are fiber that I've never spun before, but I really wanted to have them for my sheep breed study project. So this is called Lin Wool. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but this is what it is. This is one of the ones for the sheep breed study project. And it is obviously variegated shades of purple. I have not spun with this before. On first glance, it does seem kind of like somewhat of a coarse spun, or coarse wool. It reminds me of Cheviot, or maybe of yeah, I would say it's the most similar to Cheviot out of anyone. and I've done so far. But honestly, I don't know that much about it. This one is Norwegian luster wool, and this one is from they believe it's from a sheep that's become endangered, and it goes back to, the Iron Age. So this is a very old breed of sheep, and so I really wanted to get it to spin as part of my sheep breed study project. One thing that I've found as part of the sheep breed study project is there are some breeds of sheep that have been around for hundreds of years. If this one goes back to the Iron Age, which would make it the oldest sheep breed that I have done. And for this sheep breed study project, some sheep breeds have only been around for about 100 years or less. So it's really cool to get to spin all these different types of wool, all from different breeds of sheep, and see what type of fiber what type of yarn they come up with. Now, this is the one I'm thinking of for my Just for Fun spin for February, because it has all my favorite colors in it: pink, blue, and purple. And it's also my favorite type of wool. It is Falkland wool, and Falkland is a blend of Polworth, Corriedale, Romney, and Merino. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Romney is the fourth one in there. I know the other three are in there. And like I said, this is my favorite this is my favorite breed to do. Next up, I'll show you the projects, other knitting and crocheting projects I'm working on. This is a shawl I'm working on with wool this is a shawl I'm working on with yarn that I got while I was spinning yarn in Philadelphia. It is merino. I got this yarn. The pink comes from a shop called Loop, and they dyed their own yarn. And the blue comes from Yarnforia. And then I am also going to add this yarn that I also got from Loop in Philadelphia, because I thought that these all needed to be part of the same project. So this is a work in progress that I am hoping to get done this December. So far we've got spinning, knitting, and crocheting. I recently saw a short video on how to do a magic loop, and that means I can finish this sweater because these armholes were making me nuts. So I'm going to try to finish these armholes by the end of December. I'll have to double check what the name of the pattern is, but it gradually blends from one blend to the next, and it's made out of merino wool, and I want to say that the pattern is by Andrea Mowry, who is the same person who did Find Your Fade. So I've got that one to work on, and my mom also asked me to make her a sweater, and I also have a scarf to make my mom with this yarn that I got from Philadelphia. So I've got lots of works in progress. And it's works that I need to start, works that I need to finish. So there are lots of things that we can work on for Vlogmas. So I hope you've enjoyed this little taste of Vlogmas. And I also forgot that I have about 5 pounds of Suffolk wool that needs to be picked and carded and spun. So I've got a lot of fiber stuff to do this month. And we're going to see how much of it I can get done. So join me while I go through this process. And I hope you learn something and enjoy yourself. And if you want to see more or a Vlogmas, please leave a comment, hit subscribe. Tell me which project you're most excited about seeing, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.